we're doing the cookie challenge. She's going first.
And,
I actually did it. Move closer here.
I can't. I don't know.
Her nostrils.
I'm a twitch.
Okay, you do.
Is that kind of easy?
Almost.
I always fail at doing a cookie challenge.
How come? You're getting it up. You're putting it more up. Oh, you almost got
I just
it.
give up.
Okay, record me. Record me. Let me get another cookie. Record it. Record me. Oh my god, I just sat on my zebra. Okay. Oh gosh. Yay. Okay. I was about to just eat it. Okay, that's the cheating and completely not the game. Oh my god. Here? Oh. Here?
Mm-hmm.
How did I do it before? But let's do it on my foot. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh. Where did it go? Ooh, crack on my tongue.
You're better at it than I am. I always fail my cookie challenges.
Okay. Go do another one.
Okay.
I don't want to. You want to or should I do another one?
Why, you want to do another one?
Do you want to do another one?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh my god. You know what? I am just going to wipe the icing off. I'm not really an icing person when it comes to Oreos. And that's weird because everybody likes the icing with Oreos. Okay, let's see if this works. I can't. No, my God.
Try it on the other side. I think you should be better at that side. You have an eye patch. You're a pirate. Arg. We're cookie pirates.
Nope. You know what?
Try it in the middle.
Yep.
We all get a cookie anyway. We have crumbs on our faces now.
Oh, no. Makeup.
Pirate Anna. You almost did it.
Okay. So this is how I do my cookie challenge.